Let's look at how to express the 1991 fatality rate in deaths per 100,000 licensed drivers using the table below. And we want to round our final answer to the nearest tenth or one decimal place. So to do this, we're going to divide the number of traffic fatalities in 1991 by the number of licensed drivers in 1991. And here we are given the licensed drivers in millions, and millions is 10 to the 6. We have to factor that into your calculation. So to do this, I'm going to write out everything. So traffic fatalities divided by licensed drivers. And we have 4596 divided by 189 times 10 to the 6. And I'm going to keep my 189 times 10 to the 6 in a parenthesis so that when I divide these two numbers, I'll have the exact value that I'm looking for. And you want to write out the exact value you have after dividing these two numbers. You don't want to round in between your calculation. So this gives you 0.002147936,508. And what this value means in context is that there is about 0.0002147936508 traffic fatalities per licensed drivers in 1991. And when a number is really small like this, scaling may be necessary for reasonable interpretation. And this question wants us to have the fatality rate in deaths per 100,000 licensed drivers. And per means divide. So we should have this value divided by 100,000. But in math, we cannot just divide a fraction or a value by 100,000 without doing the same thing at the top. So we're going to multiply both the top part and the bottom part by 100,000. And this, when you leave to one decimal place, gives you 21.5 per 100,000. And this means that there is approximately 21.5 traffic fatalities per 100,000 licensed drivers in 1991. Or if you round this to the nearest whole number, you can say there is about 22 traffic fatalities per 100,000 licensed drivers in 1991. But this question wants us to leave it to one decimal place, so the answer to this question will be 21.5.